Want to browse the web on your Mac without leaving a history trail? Today, I'll show you exactly how to go incognito on both Safari and Google Chrome. First, let's start with Safari. Go up to the top menu bar and click on File. Then, select New Private Window. A new window opens up. Notice how the search bar has turned a dark gray color with the text Private Browsing. That means you are safe. When you close this window, none of your browsing history will be saved. Now, if you prefer using Google Chrome, it's just as easy. Head up to the File menu again, but this time, you're looking for New Incognito Window. You'll see the screen turn dark with the message saying, "You've gone incognito." Or, here is a faster way. Look at the top right corner, click on the three dots icon and select New Incognito Window right there. Simple, right? If this helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more macOS tips. See you in the next one.